A little test drive of the car. Take a little 5 or 10 minute test drive. Kind of get the RPMs up a little bit. I can see the car's got a pretty good amount of power. Really fun to drive. And which? The hood, a little bit fast. So you can see how nice the engine is, how it goes through the gears. You can probably see the speedometer better than I can. There's a little bit of a glare on it, so just kind of look and watch the speed as I'm driving. Engine. We've got that airbag warning there. That's just because the airbag was out. This needs to be driven or reset. So let's go a little bit fast. Hear how nice the engine sounds. Downshift. And down into first. And let's do that road again one more time, and then we'll head out of the neighborhood. Go for a little 5 or 10 minute drive on some country roads. It's a neighborhood, so I don't want to go too fast. I do want to get the RPMs up a little bit so you can hear how nice the engine sounds. See how smooth it is. It's a really pretty peppy car. Fun to drive. Looks like we might catch up to a car that's in front of us. Maybe. you'll go through these curves a little quick. I'm going to leave it in second gear and just let it rev up kind of high. Downshift. The car's low, but don't have to worry too much about stuff like that. If you've got a steep driveway, maybe you have to worry about it. Hopefully you can hear how nice the engine sounds. Get a chance to look at some of the interior. All suede, stitching. A little bit. Car rides real nice for being on H&R coils, lowered a little bit, so it looks nice, but it rides. This is a pretty rough road, and it's very, very not annoying. Not too rough. Really has like a good sporty feel to the suspension. I don't know if you can notice the steering wheel, but it's just really responsive. Just feels like a go-kart. And I'm driving with one hand and filming with the other, so there's a little downshift. Let's go this way. Get that airbag button turned off. Or maybe it'll just reset itself. Usually take the battery cable off just to save the battery because I don't drive the car much. And when you put it back on, it does that. I'll do one more kind of quick takeoff down here from the stop sign. Then hopefully that's enough of a test drive. You can see trying to drive the car kind of hard. How you'd want to see it driven in a test drive. If you can't be here to test drive it, I'll drive it kind of hard for you. There's a downshift. See it just downshifts, upshifts. Real nice. nice feel. That's in first gear. Let's beat all these cars that are coming up. Hope you can hear that. Sounds really good. Let's go one more takeoff here, and then we've got just a long road that will be kind of a boring test drive. This will be one more. At least you've seen maybe 10 quick starts, getting the RPMs up to, I'm not even watching the RPMs, 5,000, 5,500, something like that. Oh, now we're behind a truck. Boring drive the rest of the way. Let you see a couple review of stuff. See if I can get some shots of the car as we're driving. Happiness coming and going. I watch you look up and watch my feet are growing. I know. Probably about it. We're not going to get to go much faster than we are right now, and no more quick stops or quick starts. So hopefully that's a nice another test drive.